Anyone in the country, I think, who's familiar with RTÉ, and if they were asked what Derek Mooney's job is, they'd say he's a presenter. So can you explain why RTÉ decided in 2020 to classify him as a producer?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, Derek's been a member of staff for nearly 3 decades with RTÉ, and he's actually been on a radio producer and then an executive producer contract with RTÉ for a couple of decades now. And there was a view taken around 2020 that when they considered whether to put him on the top 10, whether he should be classified as a presenter or a producer. Now, they took the view that he should be classified as a producer, not a presenter. That view, and he's classified in our account system as a producer. But when we came to look at it again, and we're constantly ratcheting up our efforts to be transparent and as thorough as possible, when we came to look at it again, we took your view, which is although the majority of his view of Derek's work is actually producing, he is best known as a presenter, and therefore we've now decided that people on sort of in hybrid roles where they're producing and presenting, if they qualify for top 10, should be included as a presenter.